Ready to build the ultimate RC pickup truck? Dive into the world of creativity and control with the Mould King 13082 pickup truck block kit, featuring 3 695+ pieces designed for teens, adults, and collectors. This incredible set comes motorized with app and 2.4 GHz remote control, letting you open the doors, lift the front hood, and enjoy 360 degrees all-around driving. Crafted from premium ABS and carbon fiber materials, every piece is sturdy, compatible with other popular sets, and built to last. With clear, colorful instructions, assembling this model is both fun and satisfying, making it a perfect gift for holidays, birthdays, STEM activities, or personal projects. Get this product with a special discount on Amazon by the link in the description. Bring your creation to life today.